Alright, guys. It is Thursday, September 23rd, 2021 at 4:29 p.m. Alright. So, before we get to that, let's take a look at Bible verses about faith. The daily verse of the day: the Lord is with you when you are with him. If you seek him, he will be found by you. But if you forsake him, he will forsake you. 2 Chronicles 15:2b. So seek the Lord. Alright, guys. Next, we have from the National Hurricane Center, Central Pacific Hurricane Center, we have Disturbance 1 with 60% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours in the North Atlantic, pretty much heading out to sea. Has a gale force, non-tropical low pressure system. The remnants of Odette is located a little more than 600 miles west-northwest of the westernmost Azores. While showers and thunderstorms remain limited near the low, only a small increase in this activity could result in the formation of a subtropical or tropical cyclone. Weather moves generally southward over marginally warmer waters during the next day or so. Strong upper level winds are expected to develop over the system beginning tomorrow, which should then limit further development. Additional information on the system, including gale winds, can be found in the high seas forecast issued by the National Weather Service. Formation chance through 48 hours, medium at 60%. Information chance through 5 days, medium at 60%. Then we have Disturbance 2 with 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. A surface throw of low pressure has developed in association with a large area of showers and thunderstorms located a few hundred miles southeast of Bermuda. This feature is interacting with the upper level throw, and some tropical or subtropical development could occur in the next day or two as this feature moves generally north-northwestward. Strong upper level winds should prohibit further development by this weekend. So this storm or this system disturbance has a formation chance through 48 hours of 10%, a low, and formation chance through 5 days low at 10%. So this one has a lesser chance of development. But then we have Sam, Tropical Storm Sam, with maximum sustained winds of 45 knots or 50 miles an hour, minimum central pressure of 1,003 millibars, located at 10.9 north and 38.1 west, moving west at 14 knots or 16 miles an hour. Let's take a look at Tropical Storm Sam. Alright, so Tropical Storm Sam is forecasted to become a major hurricane. Right now it is a storm. By Friday at 8 p.m. it will be a hurricane. By 8 p.m. on Saturday, still a hurricane. Then by 8 a.m. on Monday, a major hurricane as it heads up into the Atlantic, close to the Caribbean islands. Alright, so right now it has maximum sustained winds of 50 miles an hour. Let's take a look at it in the tropical tidbits map. Here you have it here. Pretty much just heading westward. If it doesn't make the turn in time, it could scrape over the Lesser Antilles and Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic. If it makes it up more north in time, it will be heading over into the Atlantic and missing the islands. If it keeps going straight like it is going right now, it will smack into South America and go below the islands here. But who knows exactly what it's going to do. They're forecasting it to make a turn, so we're keeping an eye on that so we can slowly make that turn northward. Alright, let's take a look. This is the track that the track model guidance showing the possibility of it going up more north and missing the islands entirely. Hopefully it does that. Hopefully it misses land and people stay safe. Alright, let's take a look at intensity guidance. Tropical Storm Sam model intensity guidance, they have it possibly reaching category 3 or 4. Very few models have it at 4, I think 1 or 2. The rest have it mostly on category 2 or category 3 hurricane strength, if it does reach that, but that's what the majority of the models are showing, that it could possibly reach category 2 or category 3 hurricane. Let's take a look at windy. Alright, so this is Tuesday the 28th. This is a forecast map, just showing where it could be on Tuesday the 28th. Let's take a look at Wednesday the 29th, going a little bit more north of the islands. Alright, let's take a look by the end of Wednesday, beginning of Thursday. Then take a look at Thursday the 30th, going over the islands. Let's zoom in a little bit, possibly affecting the Virgin Islands and the smaller islands here. Zoom out a little bit. Alright, let's take a look at the end of Thursday. Okay, let's take a look at Friday. Okay, so Friday, it has it going over Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic and heading towards the area of the Turks and Caicos above it. The end of Friday, let's take a look at that. Has it missing the Turks and Caicos, going more northwestward. Then on Saturday, let's take a look better here. Missing the Bahamas and possibly heading into. So we have the possibility of it heading either into the South or the Carolinas. Excuse me, or making the turn. This is as far as the model takes it. So it's either gonna smack into the Carolinas or it's gonna make the turn and miss the Carolinas entirely. So let's hope and pray that it does not hit the Carolinas. Let's hope and pray it doesn't hit the Turks and Caicos. Let's hope and pray that it doesn't hit Puerto Rico or the Lesser Antilles, and it misses the islands. Alright guys, so that's what we have for Sam. We don't know exactly what it's going to do because, you know, hurricanes are unpredictable. But let's pray that it makes the turn here, hope it makes a turn here, and hope it makes a turn here and doesn't hit any land. Hopefully it goes out to sea. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Lots of prayers for anybody in front of the storm Sam. And stay safe out there guys. God bless you guys.